Hey guys, I got two new Zippos here and decided to make a video. This is my first Zippo video, so tell me how I did. Well, the first Zippo here is the black matte pipe lighter. This is my first and only pipe lighter, and that's what it looks like. And it's new and all that, still has a sticker. It came with a price sticker, but it fell off and I can't find it. It was like $23 or something. Well, that's what it said on it. It was made in October, I think, of 2011. And it came with this little notice saying that it has a little removable cap. You can pause that and read it if you want. And it also comes with this thing describing all the pipe lighter, saying how it's got the unique chimney, which allows the flame to be drawn directly into pipe without damaging the bowl, and the lighter insert fits into any standard Zippo improved lighter. We'll be taking the sticker off, and so I just put it in the back of this so I can read it. That'll come off with, what do you call it, lighter fluid. So I don't have to have that shape from this. Oops. Okay. And there we go. There's the unique chimney if you haven't seen it before. Comes right off like it says. New wick and all that, and just leave that on there for now. Let's see the date on the insert. Stiff. Trying to get it out. It was made in of 2011, if you could see that. Which that would be September. So yeah, there's that Zippo. Just leave that there for now. Oops. Put this thing in it. There we go. And this Zippo, if you don't, it's the 1941 brass vintage lighter replica. It has a unique box like that, unlike that one, as you can tell. No sticker in the back saying all that. Saying like that one. And I got this one off eBay. And it came with this. What's this say? Thank you very much for your business. I hope you enjoy your purchase. I would like to point out that we have a website outside eBay, warlight.com, and all that. You can pause it if you want to read the rest. Let's just put that with that warranty in there. That's what it is. It was $27.95, but I paid like $18 or something like that on eBay. The date on this is September of 2011, and you can see the bottom stamp like the original one had, minus the new dating. It's got 4-barrel hinge, and what do you call that? A high polish brass on the sides, and just brushed brass on the top. It came with care of your Zippo brass lighter. I'm just telling you how. And then you can read that if you want. Oops. Yeah, can read that. And it's got one of these different things for that. I can't think of what it's called. It has several distinct characteristics distinguish the 1941 replica from the modern Zippo lighter, which include flat pane case, less rounded edges, distinctive corners on the lid, 4-barrel hinge, replica unit inside, and modern ones have 5 barrels, like this one. I'm just already dust and dirt on this. See how there's, if you could see that, it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of hard to see in the camera, but it's 5 on there, and that one is 4. I will put this right here like the other one. Sticker, if I can get it off. There we go, right there. Not too much dirt, a little layer fluid to clean it off though. Put that right there with it. And that's what it looks like inside. It goes all the way back down, unlike this one, as you can see. It doesn't have the hole right there like that one does. So you can see. Oh wait, oh it does have it. Right there, it's got that hole. And this one doesn't. And it also has a hollow rivet instead of this one. Came with a flint and all that. Not fluid, anything though. A lot easier to get out. And it was made in, what is that? August of 2011. Yep. Well, I think that's going to be all. And tell me how I did. And hope you liked the video. Comment, rate, subscribe, whatever you want to do. I'm not one of those people who really cares about all the subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.